friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic.
Rise and shine, friends! Ready for some sunrise magic? Today we are creating a breathtaking seaside sunrise where the sky melts into dreamy shades of pink, yellow, purple and blue. And look who's joining us! Some elegant cranes in salute, adding a touch of mystery and beauty. But wait, my little friends, did you know that sunrises are actually faster at the equator? Or the cranes dance to impress their partners? Stick around because I'll be sharing 5 super cool facts while we bring this scene to life. So grab your colors, hit the like and subscribe, and let's dive into the colorful sunrise adventure. And don't forget to tell me in the comments, are you a sunrise person or a sunset person? Fun fact number 1. Sunrises are faster at the equator. If you ever watch a sunrise near the equator, blink and you might miss it. The sun pops up super quickly compared to other places. Fun fact number 2. Cranes are amazing dancers. These graceful birds actually dance to attract their mates, twirling, hopping, flapping their wings like little ballerinas. Romantic, right? Fun fact number 3. The colors of the sunrise are a trick. Those magical pink, purple and golden hues, they happen because the way sunlight bends through the atmosphere. It's like nature's own art show. Fun fact number 4. Birds sing louder at sunrise. So ever noticed how birds seem extra chatty in the morning? That's because the air is calmer and sound travels farther. So they are basically throwing a morning concert. And now the last one, fun fact number 5. Some birds sleep while flying. Yep, birds like fright birds can snooze mid-flight, gliding peacefully through those colorful sunrise skies. Talk about a relaxing morning commute. So friends, which fun fact surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. that's a wrap, my little sunrise seekers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this magical seaside sunrise with those graceful birds. Which fun fact surprised you or has become your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun drawings. And of course, share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, keep imagining, keep creating, keep smiling.
Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.